Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. Now tonight, I'm going to be out here with probably one of the most popular kid motorcycles of all time. There's been multiple, you could say, progressional variations throughout the years, but the Honda CRF50 was once the Z50 way back in the 80s. And here it is now today, still the same old trusty Honda 50. So, you might be thinking, who cares? Well, my kids are still riding this, and I want to show you a really simple mod slash upgrade slash thing that you're most likely going to have to do. So, a few years ago, the shifter of the bike here was stripped out. Now, the other day, the kids went out to ride it, and the shifter was sitting on here, and it was just flopping all over the place. See that? It's not shifting. It's just, just going wherever it wants to go. So I pulled it off. I took the bolt out of it, and I checked the splines here on the shaft, and everything looked good. And I was like, okay, that leads me to this right here. If you can see the splines in there, or the lack thereof. Sorry, trying to get our camera to focus here on it. Those splines are stripped out. Now, this is the Tusk shift lever from Rocky Mountain ATV. This has been on there for about 5 years. Look at this thing. All sorts of beat up. And this right here is the new one. So you look down in there. Those splines are nice and sharp, not rounded over. So after 5 years, you can see how well that thing holds up. So these are aluminum, so these will wear out before the splines on your CRF50. So there goes the old one. And then to install these, all you gotta do is just slide that on somewhere where, let's see here. See, that looks quite a bit low. So you can take it, you can move it a couple splines, and no, maybe right, woo, that goes way too high there. So just take it, and you want to find out where your splines are going to be happy. Now, my pegs here, I think, are a little bent, so we're going to do some slight mods here real quick. I'll show you. Introduce you to the motivation here a little bit. Show that. Just give it a few good whacks. Obviously not enough to bend it way back. Then you're just going to take your shift lever and you're going to reposition right about there. We think that look okay. We can shift down. We can shift up. There we go. Then you just take this little bolt right here, put a drop of blue Loctite on it. And then you're just going to put it up into place. You're going to tighten it down. And your shifter is now replaced with a nice brand new one. So super simple. Just the kids busted up this one. I just wanted to show you just how quick and easy it is to do. All you need is like an 8mm socket and you're good to go. And if your foot pegs are a little out of place, a little motivation goes a long way. So I hope you found this video informative. If there's questions or comments, put those down below. I will put the shifter link down in the description, so if you want to pick one up, it's down there for you. And if there's anything else that you need for your bikes, make sure to check out the links down below. Those are affiliate links. They help me make more videos like this so that I can keep bringing them to you, and they don't cost you anything extra. So I'm Matt, this is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.